Hello, welcome to Inspirational Yoga Messages from Swami Rama. I'm Swami Janeshwar, Swami J for short, and I'll be with you on this journey, along with Swami Matri Purashakti, Matri, who is doing the creative design of the Course. My most endearing memories of this life are of walks and talks with Swami Rama along the river Ganges in the foothills of the Himalayas. He held my hand and guided me in the subtler principles and practices of yoga as practiced by our Himalayan meditation tradition. For over 20 years, I've been sharing in this way in online meetings in our ashram in the U.S. and in retreats and classes around the world. It gives me great joy to share all of this with you through Udemy. Whether you are a student of yoga or a teacher or both, this course will lead you to subtler and richer experience in your personal practices, as well as a more refined skill in teaching or sharing with others. The course is designed with many short readings from texts of Swami Rama, interspersed with comments from the presenter. These readings are only a few highlights from thousands of pages of his writings on the teachings. All of the presentations are from the perspective of traditional ancient yoga philosophy and practices explained in modern vernacular. You will find this to be a pleasant experience that does not require you to do any homework or other activities. Just sit back and enjoy our journey together. The people we first had in mind in creating this course are those who already have some exposure, large or small, with the teachings of Swami Rama and this Himalayan tradition. However, this should also be widely enjoyable to all people interested in the more traditional view of yoga being a path to self-realization or enlightenment. Welcome. Please enjoy the journey.